Okay, hi friends. I'm going to show you how to do a cut neck. I'm having my Halloween extravaganza auction today, and I'm wearing a dress that has blood splatter on it. And I actually bought a costume from Spirit Halloween to add to my many costumes I have, and of course it didn't fit me, so I'm reverting to one that I have, and it's a dress with a lot of blood. So I thought, okay, I'll do a split neck. So this is how I'm going to do it, because I'm not prepared with latex or nothing. I thought the other costume was going to fit. So here we go. I am using, well, God almighty, school glue. If you don't have liquid latex, use some school glue. I'm just using a paintbrush. It's a filbert, I believe. You don't even need a paintbrush, actually. Okay, come on now. I'm putting it on there, and I'm just going to put it where I want the cut. This is school glue, so some people could have allergies to latex. If you do, then I think school glue would be the safe bet, because it's non-toxic, safe. It's not as common to have all that other stuff in it. Okay, then you're going to want to grab some tissue paper, toilet paper, Kleenex. If you have 2-ply, which I normally always get 2-ply, for some reason I don't have 2-ply right now. I just have 1-ply. If you have 2-ply, separate it. Okay. I'll put a little more glue on here. And turn the brightness up because I can't see. Old eyeballs, so that don't help. Okay, so I just want to get a good amount on there. And you could take a blow dryer and dry it. I don't have my blow dryer handy, so I'm going to use my fan. So I'm just going to do this until it dries. Okay, so once it's dry, feels dry, I ended up looking for my blow dryer and just turning the darn thing on because it's taking forever. It feels a little damp in some areas. Hopefully it'll be okay. I have my professional body paints, which is this brand I super love. My daughter got it for me years ago. I still have it. CC Beauty Professional Cosmetics. Works great, but if you don't have those, you can use eyeshadow. So I have a budget-friendly color palette that I use for my heads. Very budget-friendly, and it's high pigmented, and I love the colors. So you can use eyeshadow. So we're gonna go with like a cranberry-ish. Wow, it's kind of hard for me to see. Just right around the edge. I gotta take these off. Trying to make like a bruising look, you know. Maybe it's because my eyesight is bad. It looks blurry to me. I hope it's not blurry for you. Right here, I feel like I didn't get enough of the glue. That's okay. Now I'm going to come in with some red, because you don't want to do just straight red. It won't look like a bruise. Actually, looking at my big mirror is a lot easier. See, I'm looking in the phone, but actually if I look in, I'm gonna switch over, guys, because there we go. Look in my big mirror instead of my camera phone, because I can't hardly see crap with a camera phone. Okay, so we got that. We got a little bit of brownish, just a brownish light color, just kind of so it blends. Get my beauty blender, kind of blend it out. Some more brown. Just want it to look like really bad bruise, because I'm sure it would be a really bad bruise, right? Okay. Now, if you have the little manicuring scissors, or oh, I don't want to cut my neck. Ooh, careful, careful! Don't cut your neck. Ew, we're gonna like tear it. So, or beard. My husband, these are his. He has a goatee. He manicures and shit. Makes it all nice. So we're just kind of cutting. Do not use super sharp scissors. Don't cut your neck, please. Children, if you see this, don't do this. Have your parents. You can actually tear it as well. You don't have to use scissors. You could tear it. You could use tweezers. See, I don't like the fact that I showed you scissors. Look at, you can use tweezers and just kind of pull it out of the way and stuff, okay? All right. You can use red eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with my red body paint, I believe, so that I have the base inside nice and red. It's not as deep red as I'd like. I'm going to add a little bit of maybe some black. That's what I do with my heads. I make black and red. Okay. Just dabbing it all around. Just dab, dab, dab. See where it's coming up. I should have went a little more heavier on the Elmer's glue. That's okay. I'm gonna make this work. I'm gonna make this work, guys. I'm just getting rid of that piece that's just flopping around like a fish. Okay, I don't like the way that I didn't put enough Elmer's glue. Okay, I'm just going to darken it up a little bit more. Yeah, it's not sticking. Putting a really dark, it's almost black. Gross. Okay. Blood. Ew. It's globby. Ew. Oh, it's so globby. Gross. Ugh. It's almost like jellied also, so it's kind of gross. I'm not happy up here. It's too red, too fake red. I gotta darken that up. I'm gonna darken that up. I'm gonna go with I added it's like a bluish purple, which gives it more of heavy bruising. Very heavy bruising. Actually makes it look more realistic. Oh, it's creepy. It's creepy. Now, one thing that might be a problem is that I plan on wearing some, if I can get these, show you some pearls. But we'll see. The bruising I think looks pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comments. Adding that blue purple really looks good. But I think I need more. Wow. I need more to where it kind of covers where it's lifting up, how I showed you. On the bottom where I didn't get enough. And I'll have more blend on my chest. I just don't want to put more blood right now, so that it drips all the way down. I just don't want to do it right now because I'm not even fully dressed. Oh, look at that. It's so gory. It's so gory. Okay, this will be this blood. This will be one of my giveaways too. That, well, it's a free gift. It's not a giveaway. It's not like you're gonna win a prize. It's given to with one of the purchases. You can get free blood. Okay, wow, there it is. My neck looks like it's had some trauma, and it's hopefully it'll look groovy with my dress that I'll be wearing. So I'll see you at the auction. 4 o'clock Pacific Standard Time today.